How to access Office AMP employee login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access Office AMP employee login. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in Office AMP employee login and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search result. On the Office AMP homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner. On the login page, enter your email and password. Make sure your information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password and follow the instruction to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the login button. You are now logged in into Office AMP employee portal. From your dashboard, you can manage tasks, track issues, and communicate with your team. And that's it. You have successfully accessed Office AMP employee login. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next video.